Now we'll see the problem number 8 from the question bank. Dynamic Limited issued 2,500 shares of 100 each at a rupees 110. That means it is issued at a premium of rupees 10. So issue price is 110. And 750 debentures of 100 each at 96. That means the debentures are issued at a 4 rupee discount. So issue price of debenture is 96. Whole of the issue has been underwritten by Mrs. Surya and Company. So single underwriter, he underwrites for whole of the issue. And for a commission of 5% on shares, so he gets a commission 5% on shares and 2.5% on debenture. So they have given it is on the issue price. Even if it is not mentioned, you have to remember that commission is always paid on issue price of shares, and that should not exceed 5% and 2.5% on shares and debentures. The whole of the shares were applied for, so all 2,500 shares, so 2,000 shares were applied for by the public, but only for 500 debenture applications were received. So out of 2,500 shares, company receives application for all the shares, that means 2,500, but only for 500 debentures were received. So out of 750 debentures, public applies for only 750 debentures. All the applications were accepted. That means company accepts the applications of the public and that issues shares to the public. Past journal entries in the books of the company. So this case is relating to the first case. This problem is relating to the first case, that is single underwriter underwrites for whole of the issue. So we'll see how to solve this problem. In this case, there is only one underwriter, that is Surya and Company, but there are two types of securities, that is shares and debentures. So that's why we have to calculate what is the number of shares underwriter need to take up and debenture underwriter has to purchase. So first we'll see the gross liability. What is the liability of the underwriter? So here in this problem, underwriter gives a guarantee for whole of the issue. So underwriting is for whole of the issue. So what is the number of shares issued and debenture that you have to take? Whole of the issue means entire issue is underwritten by the underwriter. Company issues 2,500 shares and that is underwritten by the underwriter, and 750 debentures. Usually we are deducting unmarked application or marked application, but here that information is not given. So whatever the public subscription, we are assuming that is received through the underwriter, so that is we are deducting from the gross liability. So what is the number of shares subscribed for by the public? That is whole of the issue that is subscribed by the public. So whole of the issue in the sense that is 2,500 shares applied by the public. Applications were received for 2,500 shares. Then for debentures, only 500 applications were received. Therefore, what is a net liability? So it is simple. That is shares nil. Already applications were received from the public, so there is no shares remaining to purchase. And debentures, 250 debentures remaining. So underwriter's liability is to purchase 250 debentures. Next we'll see underwriting commission. So first on shares we'll calculate. So what is the number of shares underwritten by the underwriter whole issue? So that is 2,500 shares. So what is the issue price of the shares? Issue price of shares, it is 110. And what is the rate of commission? It is 5%. So 2,500 into 110 into 5%. So rate of commission in rupees is 12,500. Then in case of debenture, so what is the number of debenture underwritten? That is 750. 750 into what is the issue price? Issue price is 96 because it is issued at a discount, and the rate of commission is 2.5%. 2.5%. So commission is rupees 1,800. Now we'll pass journal entries. Journal entries in the books of the company. So first entry is relating to getting public subscription. What is the entry? So here two types of securities, equity share and debenture. So entry is bank account debtor to equity share capital account. Equity shares are issued at a premium to share premium account. Total shares 2500 and for whole shares company receives application from public and face value of that shares is 100. So equity share capital account debtor to equity share capital account 2,50,000 and share premium account is 2,500 shares and share premium amount is 10, so 25,000. Total 2,75,000. And remuneration being public subscribe for share. Again, second entry is for getting application for debenture. Entry is bank account data to the discount on issue of debenture account data to debenture account. Bank account data, discount on issue of debenture account data to debentures. Total applications received from public for debenture, it is 500. And face value of debenture is 100. And discount is for 4 rupees. So 500 into 4, it is 2,000. And company gets amount, that is 500 into 96, that is 24,000. Sorry, 48,000. Being debenture subscribed by the public. Third entry for underwriting, and underwriting, that is net liability of the underwriter that we are taking. Here public applies for whole issue, so there will be no liability for the underwriter to purchase shares, but there is a net liability of 250 debentures. So underwriter need to take up debentures, that's 250 debentures. What is the entry? Mrs. Surya and Company account data, discount on issue of debentures account data to debentures account. So what is the total number of debenture need to take up? That is 250 and its face value is 100. So total liability actually it is 25,000. But debentures are issued on discount. It is issued at a discount. So total number of debenture 250 and discount amount 4. So 1,000 is the discount and the balance underwriter need to pay, that is 24,000. Being debentures taken up by the underwriter. Next entry is for commission due. Entry is underwriting commission account data to whom it is payable, that is to underwriter. To Mrs. Surya and Company account, 12,500 is a commission on shares and 1,000 commission on debentures. So total 14,300 commission payable to underwriter. Being underwriting commission due. And last entry is for final settlement. So for that purpose you have to see these two entries. So here company need to receive from the underwriter for taking debentures. Underwriter is taking debenture here. For that purpose he need to pay amount to the company, so that is 24,000. And company need to pay in the form of commission, that is 14,300. So here amount receivable from underwriter is 24,000 and amount payable to underwriter it is 14,300. So here amount receivable from the underwriter it is more. So final settlement is due from the underwriter to the company, and the entry is bank account data to underwriter account. Being final settlement of account, so 24,000 minus 14,300, so 9,700 is receivable from the underwriter. Now let us see the problem number 9 from the question bank. The Canara Trading Company Limited issued 20,066% preference shares of 10 each, 60% of the issue was underwritten by Madan. So this is partial underwriting. In addition, there is a firm underwriting. So there is a firm underwriting. So we need to add this firm underwriting to the normal liability. Applications for 18,000 were received by company in all. So that means from public company receives 18,000 applications. The marked application totaled 9,000. So marked application is 9,000 shares. Determine the liability of Madan. So underwriting is for part of the issue. So we have to draw two columns. One is dummy column, that is for company, Canara Trading Company. And another column is for underwriter, that is Madan. So first you have to write gross liability. Total shares issued is 20,000 and underwriting is for part, that is 60% of the issue. 20,000 into 60% means it is 12,000, and remaining, that is 40%, that will be the liability of the company. So 20,000 into 40%, it is 8,000. Less unmarked applications or credit for unmarked application, and credit of unmarked application is giving to whom? To company. What is the total applications received from public? 18,000. What is a marked application? 9,000. The remaining 9,000 is a unmarked application. And the balance is 12,000 and minus 1,000. So company gets a surplus, and that surplus we have to share to Madan in order to reduce his liability. Surplus of company credited to Madan. Surplus is 1,000 and surplus of the company credited to underwriter. And the balance is 11,000 and nil. Less marked applications. What is a marked application? That is 9,000 shares. Therefore, liability under normal underwriting is 2,000 shares. Then we have to add firm underwriting. What is a firm underwriting? How many number of shares underwriter need to take up under firm underwriting? That is 3,000. So total liability is 5,000 shares. Underwriter need to take up 5,000. There is no liability to the company.